welcome to One CW Question. I'm your host, Vince VE6LK, and today I am here with my very special guest, Brian Manley, Kilo 3 Echo Sierra. Now, Brian is an enthusiast like the kinds of which we run into and we all hope to be one day. He's very active in POTA. He has a bunch of antennas up at home, and he's working his way through the CW Innovations course right now. Brian, thank you so much for agreeing to be part of this project. What's your one best tip for somebody learning CW?
Well, as a newer CW operator, I've been at this for about 3 years now, and I'm coming along and doing I'm meeting my expectations. But the one thing that would have helped me move more quickly would be to focus on learning the characters as a unit, and by that I mean hear it as a single sound, rather than trying to do a mental lookup table or count dits and daws and then try to transpose. If you can take that step out of your receiving of CW, it helps you move along much more quickly, and ultimately it sets you up for success at higher speeds. If you learn with a mental lookup table, it's something that you have to unlearn later. Unfortunately, that's the story of my progress, and unlearning is always a little bit more difficult than learning it in the first place.
Isn't that the truth? Well, Brian, thank you so much for coming along to this little mini project of mine, 73 and Ham Smarter.
73, take care.